Hello beautiful people, and welcome to today's video here on Environmentalism with Shalom, where we are consciously seeking innovative ways of creating and maintaining a more healthier and a more harmonious relationship with Mother Nature. And today it is hella cold, and I decided not to be fancy about this whole situation and actually be warm for real, because if I had to sit on my desk I was literally gonna freeze to death, and I'm not about that life. Okay, I just want to live my life. So I created this whole vibe for myself. Anyways, as you can see today, I'm not alone. I am with my beautiful babies, some of my babies. Guys, I need to stop buying plants because I am now literally living in the jungle. It is bad. Okay, anyways, today's topic is why you need plants all day every day. So regardless of age, culture, background, type of a person, all humans find nature inherently pleasing. Okay, and when we decorate our interior spaces with plants, we are not only adding greenery, but these living, breathing, drinking water bodies are your best friends, because all they want is to see you flourish and just living your best life. Plants interact with your body, your mind, your soul, your spirit, your home in so many ways that actually enhance the quality of your life. First things first, there was a study conducted in the University of Illinois and University of Hong Kong that found that the denser the forest, the lower the stress, which suggests that by you taking a stroll in the park or taking a walk in the street with trees or just being within these babies right here, it can prove beneficial to your mental and social well-being. Okay, they found that nature experiences, just being one with nature, it reduces anger, the production of stress hormones, fear, lower anxiety levels, and it increases pleasant feelings. It reduces blood pressure, increases pain threshold, improves your general health perception, pregnancy outcomes, and gives you a greater ability to face problems. Their study also found that nature experiences help us feel kinder towards other people. According to a series of field studies at the Human Environment Research Lab, time spent in nature connects us to each other and the larger world. Another study at the University of Illinois suggests that residents who have trees and green spaces around their buildings reported knowing more people, having stronger feelings of unity with neighbors, being more concerned with helping and supporting each other, and having stronger feelings of belonging than tenants in buildings without green spaces. The question you might be having right now is, how the hell is this possible? Well, let me tell you this. So plants release chemicals called phytoncides, which are airborne chemicals that plants give off to protect themselves from harmful bugs, bacteria, and insects. Vegetables also do the same thing. Phytoncides have antibacterial and antifungal qualities which help the plants fight off diseases. So now when we breathe in fresh air, we breathe in these phytoncides, these volatile organic compounds, and obviously and logically our bodies will react to this, and our bodies react by increasing the number and activity of a type of white blood cells called natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are best known for killing virally infected cells, protecting against disease, detecting and controlling early signs of cancer. Natural killer cells are cancer-fighting proteins that literally seek and destroy tumor and virus-ridden cells. They have the ability to kill tumor cells without any priming. That is prior activation or simply being stimulated, hence the name natural killing or natural killer. Now, increased number of natural killer cells strengthens our immune system, and we all know that a stronger and healthier immune system has a vital role in our daily life to fight disease-causing germs like bacteria, viruses, parasites, or fungi, and to remove them from the body. And obviously, a healthier you leads to a happier you, a creative you, an innovative you, a productive you. And all I'm saying is, get yourself some plants and they will breathe life unto you. Okay, literally. They will breathe life unto your existence. They will breathe life unto everybody in and around your space. Everybody that comes in your space, they will experience the benefits of these beautiful beings out here. So scientists believe that plants have indirect, unconscious psychological benefits on task performance. That if you have plants in your home or your office or your workspace, they can make you feel more comfortable, more soothed, and natural. So to prove this theory of theirs, they conducted a study. They took two different separate groups mixed races, cultures, ages, and all of that. And they gave them 2 different tasks. The other group, they gave them the reporting a plant task, and the other group was given a short course computer task. And after each task, they measured the biological factors associated with stress, including heart rate and blood pressure. After the study, they found that the participants who were reporting a plant had reduced stress levels. Boy, they were just living their best lives. Okay, they were having fun. They found it to be therapeutic. But on the other side, there was an increase in heart rate and blood pressure.
So researchers concluded that working with plants could reduce both physiological and psychological stress.
Psychologists have used horticultural therapy to increase feelings of well-being amongst people who are suffering from depression, anxiety, dementia, and other conditions.
Although horticultural therapy has been around for centuries, it has found a modern expression. Medical clinics in Manchester, England, are now prescribing potted plants to patients with depression or anxiety symptoms.
So in addition to all the benefits that we've been talking about so far, plants release 90% of the water that they take in. So during the photosynthesis and respiratory processes, plants release moisture vapor, which increases the humidity of the air around them. Basically, if you put plants together, they can increase the humidity of the room. And a study conducted in the Agricultural University of Norway, they found that using plants in interior spaces decreases the incidence of dry skin, colds, sore throats, and dry coughs. Do we even need pills? Come on, get yourself plants and live your best life, okay? And one thing I've learned about this is that you really need to be conscious. You really need to, connect with, the plants, be aware of what it is that you are doing. I think that's the only way, such things can really work, because with anything, whether if you go to a traditional healer, you have to believe, you have to connect with whatever it is that they are giving you and whatever it is that they are saying, and with the person as well, and the gods. If you are more of a Christian person, you really have to connect with God, with whatever it is that they are saying, the word, the preacher, everything. You must be one with whatever it is that you are doing, especially when you are seeking healing. You have to believe. And I really believe that it's the same thing with the plants. Anyways, to show you guys that there is more to plants than what we all think, plants giving off oxygen is actually even the last freaking benefit, okay?
When you breathe, your body takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
This opposite exchange of gases between humans and plants automatically makes us natural partners, okay? It makes us partners for life. It makes us interdependent. So simply because plants release oxygen, they can literally increase oxygen levels in your house. But know this, plants at night stop photosynthesizing, and so they respire like human beings, releasing carbon dioxide and absorbing oxygen. But worry not, because there is quite a few plants that actually release oxygen 24 hours a day. It is advisable that you place them in your bedroom so that you increase oxygen levels at night, and you just breathe in fresher air whilst you are sleeping. Now, still on this point, there has been controversy around the belief or the myth that plants can actually remove air pollutants from the air, that plants can literally improve the air quality in our homes. Because if you didn't know, the level of indoor pollution in our homes is just too deep, okay? Some people believe that plants have the ability to remove air pollutants, and this belief or this idea or theory, it is based on a 1989 study that was conducted by NASA.
Researchers then were looking for ways to improve the air quality in a sailed spacecraft, because they had the understanding that plants not only take in carbon dioxide and return oxygen, but they are exceptionally good at capturing harmful toxins from the air. Their research found that indoor plants can scrub the air of cancer-causing volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde and benzene.
Researchers and scientists of the 21st century are disagreeing with this whole situation, with this whole idea, because they are saying that NASA conducted these experiments under laboratory conditions. They're not denying that the plants can actually absorb pollutants from the air, therefore purifying the air. But what they are saying is that it is not realistic when you compare it to a whole house. So they are saying that the idea of people incorporating plants in their interior spaces or offices with the idea of purifying the air is basically some bullshit. Okay. In fact, they are saying the amount of pollutants that one plant removes from the air can barely even be measured by scientific instruments. Researchers are saying that if you want to cut down air pollutants, these harmful chemicals in the air in your home, by 50%, right, in a medium-sized room in your house, you would likely need 1,000 plants. Okay, in your house, you basically have to turn your room into a jungle for that to be possible, which is obviously unrealistic. Okay, but honestly, to me, the fact that plants can do that, the fact that plants have the ability to do that, okay, it says something. You know, when I have my own money, I'm gonna freaking do my own research. I am going to do my own research. I'm gonna make my own experiments, because sometimes I think that the system be out here playing us. They don't want us to be out here knowing this information, because once we know our connection to these plants, the benefits that we gain from this plant, once we know that, we have literally opened our third eyes. Okay, we are the wisest beings alive. Okay, I'm joking about the third eye thing, but I'm just saying that, you know, we are really going to be self-aware. We are going to be people who are chasing sustainability, people who are chasing eco-friendly methods of just living our lives, living a sustainable life, because you understand the effect of these green babies that they have on you. We are actually going to be so conscious that when someone is stressed, they literally take a walk in a park with the awareness of what the greenery, of what nature is doing to their body, listening to the healing power that Mother Nature has, and allowing it to enter into our bodies and actually heal for real and naturally. Okay, so I think that the system be out here playing us. Okay, these plants actually have the ability to do the things, because nobody's denying that plants can actually purify the air. And of course, after watching this video, I'm not even gonna ask if you want to buy plants. If you are actually going to buy plants, what I'm saying is do the things already. Why are you not having plants in your house, in your office? I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, that you are going to get yourself some plants, that you are going to create yourself a garden, okay, and enjoy the benefits that come with these babies, and let them breathe life unto your soul, unto your spirit, okay, unto your task, and heal you and soothe you and comfort you in the hardest times. Okay, we don't need no doctors, we don't need no therapists. Okay, we got the therapist right here. Mother Earth gave us these therapists that want nothing from us but our well-being. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I honestly enjoyed making today's video. Maybe it was because of the help of my beautiful babies, but I really enjoyed making today's video. It was not easy because I had a lot of distractions, but I really enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you on my next video. Yeah.